Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to compile LaTeX to PDF in Google Colab. First, sign into your Google account. Search for Google Colab and open the link https://collab.research.google.com. Then click New Notebook. Then copy and paste the following command from comment section into a code cell in Google Colab and run the cell. This command installs TextLive, a full LaTeX distribution, along with Zeta for advanced font support, recommended fonts for better document styling, extra LaTeX packages for enhanced functionality like math support, graphics, etc. Wait until the installation completes. You'll know it's done when the play button stops rotating. A green checkmark appears. Now TextLive is installed, and you're ready to compile your LaTeX document. When installation finishes, create a new code cell. Type %% write file pdf1.tex, then paste your LaTeX code below it. Run the cell. This will create a file called pdf1.tex with your LaTeX code. When the above command finishes executing, copy and paste the following command from comment section into a code cell and run the cell. This command compiles your LaTeX code to PDF. Wait until command execution finishes. When the above command finishes executing, copy and paste the following command from comment section into a code cell and run the cell. This command downloads a PDF. Now, let me open the PDF to show you this works. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it